guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, I'm Suzy and I'm creating contents about work from home and mind setting. Now, if you are watching this, you are probably thinking to start working from home and really don't know where to start and what are the skills that you are going to offer to your clients, and you think that, oh, I'm not a tech-savvy person. Feeling mo wala kang mai-offer na service to your client. But guys, actually, lahat tayo merong pwedeng ma-offer na service kay client. I would guess that you're watching this video because you don't know what are the skills you are going to offer to your clients na wala ka pa namang experience sa computer. And yung previous work mo, hindi ganun yung work. Wala masyadong computer-related task. Yung experience mo sa computer is just a little lang talaga. Hindi medyo ganoon ka-wide. You are now taking a step back because, oops, parang hindi ko kaya. Kasi yung mga trabaho ko, it's not computer-related naman. So, I would like you to think that kahit yung pag-Facebook mo, yung pag-search mo ng Google, is meron niyang pwede na work sa online. If you are interested to know what are those skills and services that you can offer to your clients, then this video is perfect for you. Just keep on watching. Mahilig ka mag-search sa Google and masasabi mo na alam mo kung paano mag-search sa Google and other websites, then definitely this task is perfect for you. The first service that you can offer to your client is lead generation. Ito yung kukuha ka ng mga details ng ibang tao na gagamitin ng clients mo for their email marketing. Kailangan kang kumuha ng mga details sa particular niche ng mga tao. Like for example, gusto ng isang client na kumuha ng all details sa mga coaches within LA. Kadalasan na kukunin yan, yung full name of the coach, address, contact number ng coach, location ng coach, and kung anong kind of coach siya. And also, ang pinaka-importante na gusto nilang makuha is yung email address. Email address is gold for them because they will use that for their email marketing. Yun lang yung kukunin mo. Most probably, yung ginagamit ng mga apps dyan are LinkedIn. Mas okay na may LinkedIn profile ka para naman makasearch ka din ng iba and makakonect ka sa ibang tao that probably magiging client mo soon. Kailangan mo makipag-connect sa kanila doon sa LinkedIn. Sometimes also, you can use Zoom info. Makakakuha ka din ng email through their websites and social media accounts. So, kung may mga social media accounts sila, sometimes nilalagay nila yung email address nila. For example, sa Instagram, sa bio, sa Facebook, sa About Us. You just need to be resourceful kung saan mo makikita yung email address nila. But take note that don't get a generic email. Yung mga email na for all, na hindi direct sa client. Huwag yung nagsa-start ng support, sales, admin, info. Naka-encounter ba kayo niya ng mga emails? info@company.com, support@company.com. Wag yung mga ganon kasi hindi yan nila tinatanggap. Gusto nila yung direct talaga sa person. Like for example, yung email should be danhathaway@company.com. Yung ganon, like for me, like Suzy@company.com. Sure ako na sa akin talaga mapupunta yung email na galing sa kanila. Yun yung pinaka-importante kasi hindi sila tumatanggap ng mga generic emails. Before, we used Hunter email in getting emails kasi most of them really don't like to put their email address in public. May mga plugins, may mga softwares na makakapag-reveal ng mga email address nila. May bayad nga lang. May free trial lang na kung ilan lang, and then after that, you have to pay na for the product. If you really want to do that kind of work, then you might as well consider to buy the premium account na lang para makakuha ka ng mga hot leads para sa client mo. The next one is PDF conversion to Word and spreadsheet. Merong mga online plugins and softwares na nakakagawa na nito in just couple of clicks. Pero yung mga yon, some of it premium din, 5 times lang. Pero after that, hindi na siya pwede. Kailangan mo siyang bilhin. Kung ganyan yung work mo, mas okay na you're going to pay the premium one. Pero kung first time mo pa naman gumawa niyan, pwede siyang gamitin. And then, double check everything na walang nawawala na letter. Kasi yun yung napansin ko. Especially if maraming pictures, hindi siya ganoon ka-accurate yung data na nako-convert niya into Word or into spreadsheet. You can search a lot of plugins, software, applications online na pwedeng nakakapag-convert niyan. If you are a beginner and wala pa pa kayong skills masyado na i-offer nyo sa client nyo. So, that would be a good start. And the third one is making of slide presentation. So, sa Microsoft Word pa, it's PowerPoint. Marami kasing mga CEOs and mga heads sa companies na ina-outsource na nila yung paggagawa ng mga slide presentations. Gusto nila yung professional looking slides and reports para sa company nila. Yun yung ipapakita nila. Bibigyan lang kayo ng details. You have to get the background in line with their branding, color ng company nila, yung mga ganun. So, you just have to know kung paano gamitin ang PowerPoint, or kung sa Google pa, it's Google Slides. Lahat, constant, the size, the font color is just the same. Yung mga transitions, the same. Yung kung may embed kayo ng video, make sure that it's really functioning and it's really working, kasi baka pag-presenta nila, hindi na nag-work. That's also one thing na I know kaya niyong gawin. Very easy lang. The next one is email management. So when I say email management, I think I've already mentioned this one sa previous video ko. What I mean by that is you basically handle the emails of your client. Either they're using a business email or personal email, it's just the same. Syempre, meron na silang mga instructions. If ito yung concern ng email, dito mo ilalagay na folder. Kung ito yung mga lalabas na mga reply, you just delete it. Syempre, instruct ka naman kayo kung may mga specific sila na gusto nyo gawin sa emails nila. It also means na magre-respond kayo sa mga emails nila. Kayo din yung mag-write ng emails. Sometimes, gumagawa na sila ng template, tapos i-copy-paste mo na lang, lagyan mo na lang ng name kung saan mo siya isasend, yung mga ganun. Kung wala pa, and you know how to do that, you can do that by yourself para hindi na kayo mahirapan in handling the emails of your clients. And also, one important part of email management is that you know how to put email signature. Email signature is good if you want to really build up your brand or build up your client's brand or your brand. You have to know how to put email signature. If you don't know how to do that, just comment down below that you want me to create a tutorial on how to make that one, because I can help you with that. Madali lang naman siya. It will just take you a minute or two in doing that. Just let me know if you need a tutorial for that one. And by the way pala, if your client is using an autoresponder for email marketing, yung mga autoresponder like GetResponse, Aweber, HubSpot, MailChimp, marami pang mga ganun na manggaganda yung mga features nila in email marketing. Kadalasan, gumagamit nun yung may mga structure na talaga and how they are going to handle their email marketing. But I don't want you to bombard all of those things, kasi kung nagsa-start ka pa lang, hindi naman talaga necessary na malaman mo yun. I just want you to focus on the things, the skills for beginners lang. Those things are for advanced na they are already handling email marketing. Again, email management and email marketing is different. Same also with social media management and social media marketing. It's also different. And yung sinabi ko kanina about GetResponse, mga autoresponders, that is for email marketing and not just for email management. The next one is appointment setting. For this task, you are just basically going to manage your client's calendar. Like, alam mo yung schedule niya. And it also involves emailing other people. Kailangan mo silang i-contact. Ito yung date for meeting. Ito yung availability ng client mo. Kung gusto sila makipag-meet, ito yung pwedeng time. Kung saan pwede siya physical meeting, pwede siya virtual meeting. Like, they will hold the meetings through Zoom or Skype or whichever platform ang gusto nila. Kadalasan, ang gagamitin mo ng mga software or the calendar, maybe nasa Google Calendar lang yan, iCal or Microsoft Calendar, sa website ng company nila. Doon mo isiset yung event or yung meeting na mangyayari with person A and your client or person B with your client. It depends kung dapat alam mo talaga yung schedule ng clients mo, kasi ikaw yung magsiset ng meeting date and meeting time ng dalawa. So, yun yung appointment setter. That would be a good start if you are going to work online. I would say, pag ang in-applyan mo, appointment setter, hindi ka nagagawa ng ibang task. Ang virtual assistants kasi, marami siyang nakapaloob ng mga task. It's not just for appointment setting. The more ka mas maraming alam, the more ka na may mas maraming value and service na mabigay sa clients mo, then that would be great. So, hini-hinay lang siguro ito yung mga first stepping stones na pwede mo i-offer sa client mo. And ito pa, most of us are using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, every day we are using that one. But most of the people don't know na pwede pa lang silang magbigay ng service sa client through social media management. Ang gagawin mo lang is mag-create ka ng content for your client, kung anong bang service na binibigay niya, kung ano bang products, kung products man. Gagawa ka lang ng content, isi-schedule mo lang para ma-post siya all over sa mga social media sites niya. Facebook, pwedeng sa Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. Kung meron din siyang YouTube channel, you can also make a very simple video. Marami ng mga softwares ngayon na pwede kang makapag-edit ng video kahit hindi ka pa marunong mag-edit. For social media management, it depends kasi for small business owners, isa lang yung kukunin nila na tao, pero lahat na gagawin niya. Like, siya na yung content creator, siya na yung graphic designer, siya na yung mag-i-engage sa mga followers, fans, and clients, and mga direct messages, siya na yung magre-reply. While mga big companies na, or mga big brands, yung social media management, parang naka-cut na siya, or may department na siya. May department for graphic designing, or meron ng tao na humahanda lang sa graphics nila, may humahanda lang sa paglalagay ng caption and pagsa-schedule. Meron din, iba din yung department na yung mga nagre-respond lang sa mga comments, sa mga tweet. Pero those are for big companies na. If you are starting, it would be nice na mag-start kayo sa small companies para magkaroon kayo ng experience to do everything. Kayo yung mag-reply sa mga followers, gagawa ng contents, mag-edit ng mga graphics. Kasi sa graphics for social media, it depends. Meron siyang specific size for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, iba-iba at saka mga banners sa blogs nila. So, at least malaman mo yon bago ka mag-transition to big companies. Also, mas enjoyable din yan. Yung parating may new learnings ka, may iba't iba yung ginagawa mo. Not just for specific task lang, di ba? Yung mga kadalasan na ginagamit ng mga applications ng mga social media managers para mag-schedule. Most used applications are Hootsuite, Buffer, Meet Adgar. Yun. Yung tatlo yung na-try ko na gamitin. Kasi yun yung gusto ng mga clients ko before. And until now. Also, if yung mga tickets, yung mga pag-answer ng mga comments, mga DMs, gusto nila Zendesk and Buffer. And also, part sa task mo, when you are a social media manager, you have to create a report about the progress of the social media that you are handling. Ilan na ba yung nadagdag na followers? Gano'n ba kalaki yung engagements? Kasi may specific time and day kung when ka mas best na mag-post. Yan yung nakakaganda if marunong kang tumingin ng analytics. Yung report mo, kukunin mo siya sa analytic reports ng social media na hinahandle mo. So, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Meron pa akong isa pang pahabol. Though, hindi lang siya ito yung kaya nyong i-offer sa clients nyo. Pero ito lang yung masasabi ko na a beginners can do. Even if nafe-feel nyo na, parang hindi ko kaya yan. I know you can do it. My team na mga beginners din, kaya din nila to gawin. It's just that kailangan nyo lang ng courage na i-try. So for the last one, without further ado, I'm going to say it na, e-commerce store management. Ang pinakadali ng mga e-commerce store na feeling ko kaya nyong i-handle is the Shopify store and WooCommerce store. WooCommerce store is inside the WordPress platform. That is just a plugin para pwedeng magbenta sa loob ng WordPress platform. So napaka-easy lang gawin siya. Most likely, for example, sa Shopify, we can use other extensions or pwede tayong gumamit ng Uberloo and Dropified. I know that's not familiar to you, but matutunan mo din yan if you really want to go to that kind of niche. Yan yung mga ginagamit nila para mag-import ng mga data from other platform like AliExpress to Shopify. And in just one click, yung lahat ng mga details na pupunta na siya sa Shopify, and you just have to double check and you have to tweak some of the description para hindi talaga the same kasi nade-detect yan ng Google na, oops, lahat nito the same, parang kina-copy-paste lang, so hindi yan siya pwede. Kailangan mo siyang i-tweak, kailangan mo siyang ibahin. Pwede naman siyang actually manual copy and pasting, but meron namang plug-in or extension na pwedeng just one click away, diba? Pwede din na may basic photo editing, like kunin nilang yung background ng picture, easy kind of services that I know or not tech-savvy person can do. And if you're not really comfortable in doing those things, you might want to learn to start online tutorials. Maraming websites ngayon like 51talk, careerjob.com, yung mga for online tutorials. Yung kadalasan Japanese, Chinese, Koreans, tuturuan nilang sila ng English. I cannot really say a lot from online tutorials because hindi ko siya na-try. Pero maraming resources online. Pwede din kayo makapagtanong-tanong sa mga friends nyo kasi marami na ngayong online English teacher. But, my one advice, marami kasing mga friends ko, they are asking, paano ako makapag-start? Feeling ko wala akong alam na skills na pwede ko ibigay sa clients or i-offer sa clients. Wala din akong portfolio, wala akong mapakita na alam ko to, alam ko yan. Paano ba ako makakuha kahit first client ko man lang? I would suggest, and even Gary Vaynerchuk, ito din yung advice niya. Look for a company, maybe friend mo, may business siya na restaurant, ask him or her na, may social media ka ba? Pwede nga ako mag-handle nun. You can pay me even just a little. Feeling mo, it's not worth it yung ibabayad mo. Even just the testimonials na lang na, I know how to do this. Give me an honest feedback on my website or even your LinkedIn account para may recommendation na sa'yo na alam mo mag-manage ng social media accounts. Yung ginawa mo sa kanyang social media accounts, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa portfolio mo. That would be a great way para magkaroon ka na ng experience. Meron ka ng masasabi sa client mo na, oh, may experience na ako niyan, and these are the results. Kahit for a month of content, it's easy lang naman kasi pwede mo naman siyang schedule. It doesn't mean na we are going to say a month of schedule, a month of work na talaga. Before a month of schedule, I'm just doing it for 4 hours. Just purely scheduling and getting the graphics and just to put a little catchy caption. Hindi siya time-consuming. Yun yung ginawa ko before. So, for the next video, I'm going to share with you the platforms where you can apply online jobs. But, while waiting for that video, I want you to check out these 2 videos here at the side. These are also about work from home and mind setting. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. If you have other topics that you would like me to discuss, just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!